In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer your chats from your iPhone to your Android. So this is what you're supposed to do. So in our case, there should be two options you can go ahead and try. Now it's going to be the wireless option or the wired option. Now the wireless option should be a bit easier. So just go ahead and try that process if you'd like. And in our case, we're just going to go with the wired option. So in our Android over here, we are in the Play Store since we're still gonna need to prepare a few things. So first of all, the app itself that helps us with this transfer. Go to your Play Store on your Android and then press on Smart Switch. Search for Smart Switch. So once you search for it, you can go ahead and install the app if it hasn't been already installed. Then another thing you can prepare is a wire that can connect both phones together. So make sure the wire has two ends that supports both phones. So a lightning cable, because for your iPhone, and then the other end, which should be a type C or a micro. Pretty much depends on what your phone is. So take a look at that first. Once you have the wire, you can pretty much just start the process now. So on your Android, open up the app you just downloaded or you just found and press on the Let's Go option and then choose the cable. Again, you can go ahead and try the wireless option. But once you've done that, it's going to show you this little little animation where you're going to have to plug in the wires that you got. So once you plugged it in, it's going to lead you to another view. But you're going to go ahead to your iPhone first to focus on your iPhone. So on your WhatsApp, go ahead to its settings, scroll down until you find chats. In your chats, press on the Move Chats to Android option. Once you do that, you're gonna see this thing. Go ahead and press on Start. Now at this point, your Android should look a bit something like this. Then you're gonna have to press on Next, and it's gonna do a little load over here. Then this will pop out in your iPhone. You're gonna have to press on Trust. On your Android, press on Next. Now it's gonna scan for data from your iPhone and what to transfer to your Android device. So go ahead and select the data you want to transfer. Now you could choose whatever you want, but in our case, we're just gonna go ahead with the apps and more specifically just WhatsApp. So once you've done that, go ahead and press on the install button with the apps that you want. Of course, make sure the WhatsApp is also included and it's gonna show this. In your iPhone, go ahead and press on the cancel button and then press on cancel transfer. You're gonna have to redo the transfer to Android's thing. So go back to your chats in your WhatsApp settings on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the Move Chats to Android again. Then go ahead and press on Start. This time it's gonna transfer data from your iPhone chat history to your Android. Now it's gonna show something like this. At this point, you can go ahead and wait until it is done, and then in your Android, make sure you're using the number that you use for your WhatsApp in your iPhone. That way you can verify it using the SMS of your iPhone, and pretty much no data gets confusing. But anyway, once you do that, verify yourself, put in your information like your details, like your profile, and then once you put in those profile information, you can go ahead and press on continue on the permissions it's going to ask for. So just go ahead and press on allow on pretty much everything. And once you will do that, it's pretty much going to finish. You can take a look at your new chat history in your Android, but that's pretty much how you transfer WhatsApp conversations from your iPhone to Android. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.